Hi friends, it's Teddy. Today, we will be drawing Gengar from Pokémon as a Squishmallow. Let's start with a straight line, and then add a big C-curve on both ends, combining them to form an egg-like shape. Next, draw a reverse V shape for its ears on both sides. On top, draw a reverse U shape and add an M-like shape on one side. Repeat this step on the other side as well. After this, we will draw two diagonal lines parallel to each other. Add a C-curve on both lines, and then draw two U shapes for the eyes. Now, add two dots and join them with a curved line first, followed by a straight line on top. Inside the mouth, add 5 straight lines to represent its teeth. Next, draw two diagonal curves, and extend them on both sides to form Gengar's hands. Repeat this process for the other hand as well. And that's it. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with more videos. Until then, happy drawing!